Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax returns for job order work. First, determine your tax residency status, as this impacts your filing obligations. Next, collect all necessary income documents, especially Form 1099 NEC, which reports non-employee compensation. It's crucial to distinguish between being an employee and an independent contractor, as their tax treatments differ significantly. This foundational understanding will streamline your tax preparation process. Once you've gathered your income documents, accurately report all earnings from your job order contracts. Remember, every dollar counts. Next, explore eligible business expenses that can significantly reduce your taxable income. Common deductions include home office costs, supplies, and professional development. Maintaining meticulous records of both income and expenses for at least 7 years is absolutely essential for audit protection. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough. They offer incredible comfort and a lifetime warranty, which is pretty amazing. You can find the link for Darn Tough socks and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. For job order workers, you'll typically need to complete Schedule C, Form 1040, to report your business income or loss. This form details your revenue and expenses. Additionally, use Schedule SC, also Form 1040, to calculate your self-employment tax, which covers Social Security and Medicare. Always attach all supporting documents, such as your Form 1099 NEC, to ensure a complete and accurate return. Now, let's walk through the filing process. You have two main options: electronically file your return for speed and convenience, or mail a paper return. Whichever you choose, meticulously double-check all entries for accuracy before submitting. Errors can lead to delays or audits. Finally, ensure any taxes owed are paid by the deadline to avoid costly penalties and interest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.